Okay, we're going to remove a Suzuki hub out of a Powertech propeller cushion lock and install a Honda cushion lock hub. And he's going to demonstrate how to do this. Just turn the prop over so you're on the back side. Grab your tool. It fits in there nice and snug. And then just tap it lightly until it pops out. Turn the prop over. And you can pull that hub right out of there, like he's showing. It's a little tight. You might need to give it another tap. There you go. And then that hub will slide out of there. You may want to stick some rubber bands around this thing to keep it from coming apart if you have them available. If not, you have to put them back together. So now he's going to insert the Honda hub. It's already got the rubber band on it. He's going to slip it down in there. Make sure it lines up on the spline, because there's splines down in there. Get the rods in there just right. Takes a little bit of finagling. Once you get the rods all lined up in the hub,
I might want to redo this because I can make this look a lot easier.
now he's got the rods lined up. Take the rubber band off and just tap that. And there you have it. Cushion lock hub exchange from a Suzuki hub to a Honda hub.